points separating those four squads.
Right now, Katie Hornock, the 9th grader out of Redlands East Valley, she was pretty secure there in 4th place, and she qualified as an individual. Ella Boyer, sophomore out of Esperanza, in 5th place.
Let's get all the way through the line. Let's finish all the way through. Let's finish all the way through. There we go. Finish all the way through. Finish. There we go. Great job. Great job. Great race. There we go, ladies. Keep it up.
Natalie Toledo of North Torrance and Amber Anderson of Torrance giving chase here. Lopez of Shadow Hills, but Lopez will come through that mile mark. About a 20-yard gap already here early on in Division 3, Heat 3. Meanwhile, the team standings here for Heat 2 starting to take form.
There we go. Stay on it. Stay on it. All the way through. There we go. Great job, ladies. Great job, ladies.
So our young ladies from Los Pueblos, they went in as your 2nd seed, ranked 5th in Division 3. Looking strong here with 300 meters to go, along with Brea Olinda and Agoura. Well, McCorkle should take that race there at 18:17. Satina, 18:55 for Reeves at Esperanza at 19:13. Buena of the Redlands East Valley, she will qualify as an individual at 19:18. Boyer of Esperanza, they're in 5th, 19:32. Brea Olinda, 2 in the top 9. Sonora, 2 in the top 8. Mia Escobedo of South Hills moving up well there in the last part of that course, 3:45. Pueblos with 3 in the top 20. Brea Olinda, Los Pueblos, they should easily move on. There's a considerable gap there between 5th and 6th place at the halfway point.
Great job, ladies. There we go. Finish. Great job. Great. Do your best to keep moving. There we go. Let's finish it through. There we go. Let's finish. All the way here. There we go. go. Stay on it, stay on it, stay on it. Keep coming, keep going, keep coming, keep going. Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. There we go. Oh, let's come get some water.
As girls Division 3 make their way to the top of switchback, we'll move our next race on the course will be Boys Division 1. That will be a 4-heat division. That means only the first 4 teams will automatically qualify. There will be no team time placers. So the top 4 teams, individuals who place in the top 6, whose team does not qualify, will also move on. Our first heat, race number 2061, features the #1 ranked team in the country, Newberry Park. The Marmonte League champions this year set a new record on the state meet course at Clovis, shattering the old record. They averaged 14:44. That's on a 5K course. They were the Woodbridge Invitational Sweeps champions. They only scored 25 points in that invitational, and on a 3-mile course, they averaged 13:54 for 5 boys at 3 miles. They're the defending champions. They were our state champions in 2019 in Division 2.
Great job. There we go. There we go. Let's finish right here.
Marjorie Lopez of Shadow Hills continue to be your leader. She takes us to the halfway point here in Heat 3, Division 3 girls. Going back to Heat 2, Sonora. We have 5 qualifiers here. Sonora, Brea Olinda, Dos Pueblos, Agoura, and Esperanza.
There's a lot of impact on this bronco sport. It's got a ton of horsepower. I love it.
Lopez coming through at 9:42. Madison Baroni of Oak Park, 9:46. Sequoia Gonzalez of Torrance at 9:56. Natalia Galito of North Torrance at 10:18. Deanna Lee of Temple City, trying to qualify as an individual, 10:25. Top 5 squads automatically moving on. Top 8 as an individual or non-qualifying squad. You will also move on. The Division 3 girls only having 3 heats, as opposed to what we'll see here with the Division 1 boys and Division 1 girls. They'll have 4 heats. Top 4 automatically qualifying, and if you are in the top 6 for your heat and a non-qualifying team, you will move on. Meanwhile, Oak Park, your first squad with 5 across. South Torrance and Torrance now joining them up top there. Remember, the Pioneer League, top 3 girls squads from that league, all in this heat, Division 3, Heat 3. And North Torrance now joining that group of the top with 5 across. Now Moorpark also with 5 across as well. So your top 5 squads at the halfway point: Oak Park, South Torrance, Torrance, North Torrance, and Moorpark.